What's up, lovelies? Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. You guys, as you can already tell from the title, I am doing yet another cleaning video. I do these here and there on my channel just because I really love them and they really do change. So recently I bought a new dresser off of Amazon. I'll link everything to it in the description box down below if you're interested. Today is the day that I'm gonna start organizing and cleaning out my closet, but in addition to doing that, I just really need to deep clean my room. I cannot live like this. My room has really been accumulating all of this mess over the course of a couple weeks just because I've been so busy with work, hence me not uploading as often as I used to. I really do want to get back on track with my uploads. It's just my work schedule is just so unpredictable right now that I just don't know when I can upload a video for you guys, but that's besides the point. But me working so much has had me so tired that I don't have time to clean up. I am in the process of doing laundry. I want all of my laundry clean so that I can put everything in the dresser and see if the dresser can hold all of the clothes that I have. I'm also going to be doing a donation pile of clothes of things that I just don't wear anymore, and I'm basically hoarding them. So it's gonna be a lot going on as far as the closet, and then everything else. Y'all see me clean my room like all the time, so I will be cleaning up my room. Y'all come with me to deep clean my disgusting room. If you guys are new to this channel, I'm Renee. Don't forget to thumbs up this video as well as subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to check out my social media links and everything. Let's do it. Let's do this thing. Okay. You guys, I completely forgot to mention that, do you guys remember my little clothing rack that I had hanging up here? Yeah, the clothes that were on there, I had too many clothes on there because I didn't have anywhere else to put them, because y'all know my closet is so small. They literally fell, like my whole rack fell on the ground. I moved it over here. This is it right here. So I'm gonna try to find somebody to be able to put it back up for me, but I'm thinking that I want to put it, you know, back in the same spot but over my dresser instead of hanging up dresses and stuff on it, because of course I don't want the dresses like on my dresser. I want to just hang up like cute little tops, shorts maybe, but actually it's fall now, so it'll just probably be tops and stuff like that on the rack, just cute little like aesthetic looking things. And then everything else will go in the closet. In the closet, I need to take out just everything that I don't wear anymore. And also my summer/spring clothes need to come out of here. And I actually have my winter clothes, my winter and fall clothes in the shed outside. So I need to get those so that I can swap everything out. The first thing that I'm going to start off with is this whole area in here. You guys know this was my dresser situation that I had going on. It was just basically stacking these drawers on top of each other and making it work. I'm actually gonna throw this whole drawer set out or give it away, I don't know yet, but taking that whole thing out of here, putting the clothes that's in there in my dresser, and just making more space in my closet just so that I can utilize it for other things that I need. Okay guys, so I put all of my clothes from the drawers into my dresser. Now I'm going to go into my closet and I'm going to take out all of my summer/spring clothes and swap them out for my fall/winter clothes. I have some bins in the shed and I'm just going to swap out the clothes. I still need to figure out what I'm going to do with all these clothes that's on the floor that were supposed to be on the rack. They're probably going to go in the bin too because a lot of them are summer clothes. I do have one last drawer left that had like all my swimsuits and stuff in it, and I've been trying to decide if I'm gonna like put it in my dresser or just pack it up. I think I'm gonna pack it up. It just depends on how many bins and stuff we have left, but I really feel like I think I'm gonna just put it in the shed. I'm about to go through this pile and see what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to give away, which is going to go in that bag. There's a Goodwill and a Salvation Army not too far from me. Y'all, my room looks so crazy right now. It looks so bad. But you know how it just looks horrible until it gets good? But as you can see, my closet already is starting to look a lot better than what it did. So I need to do my shoes. I need to swap out like sandals and stuff for boots.
So no, I don't understand. Just like you love you doing no one else can. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love's got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your touch got me looking so crazy right now. Got me hoping you page me right now. Your kiss got me hoping you save me right now. Looking so crazy, your love's got me looking so crazy, your love. When I talk to my friends so quietly, who we think he is? Look at what you did to me. Didn't choose to live in these about new dress. If you ain't there, ain't nobody else that can impress. The way that you know what I thought I knew is the beat in my heart is when I'm with you. But I still don't understand. Just like you love me, no one else can.
Y'all, do not mind me looking a hot mess right now. It is probably like a week since the last time I filmed the other portion of this video. Y'all, I had gotten so busy with work. Like, my schedule was crazy. I didn't have time to clean up my room. But I'm coming back to finish up my room. I got a lot done in that last time that you guys saw me. I don't remember exactly everything I did. I do remember organizing my drawers, filling them up with clothes. I did do my closet back here. I took out all the clothes. I think I filmed that. I don't even remember what I filmed. So today is basically going to be like the cleaning portion of this video. I'm actually going to be wiping down surfaces, disinfecting things, sweeping, and just really deep cleaning everything that I need to get cleaned. Yo, I'm in the process of deep conditioning my hair, so it looks crazy in this towel. I couldn't even put it in the towel cute, like, whatever. But yeah, let's do this. This is what my room looks like currently. Not bad, okay? Since I put all the clothes and stuff up, like, it took a lot of the bulk of the messiness away, so it looks good. Y'all know I like to clean my room up in sections, so I'm going to start off with my closet. I'm not quite done with it. I need to do my shoes up there, and that's what I'm going to start on. I'm going to start taking down shoes that are like summer, spring shoes, putting them in the bin. You know, the same thing I did with my clothes, just swapping stuff out and then organizing my shoes up there. I didn't even show you guys the bottom of my closet now. Now I put my laundry bin in there, and I took out the entire little drawer dresser situation that I had in here. I took that out, and now I keep my like little luggage in here. Y'all, so I decided to put my heels up here and just to leave some room down here for my work shoes and like tennis shoes and everyday shoes. As y'all can tell, I don't have a lot of closet space, so I kind of just got to get creative. But this is what the shoe situation is looking like right now. It's not exactly what I envisioned, but it's just gonna have to do considering the size of my closet. My vanity is the next section of my room that I want to start working on. I'm gonna take everything completely off of it and just start by wiping it down and cleaning it. You already know I am not a huge fan of my vanity. I hate it. I've just outgrown it a lot, and I just can't wait to get a white one. That's really what I want, a white vanity with the, you know, the nice studio lights. You can already see like through these mirrors, like they're not even that large. I'm also going to clean out my drawers of my vanity. They're so unorganized, and there's just so many things I need to just throw out and get cleaned, so that's what I'm gonna do.
Attorneys, just cause you bought that vintage Margiela, don't change your flight from Spirit to Delta. The Lakers dress like you just came out the store. I got my own back like Stella, not Stella. I
just took all of my makeup out of the containers I usually have them in. I'm gonna clean out the containers. I don't even know the last time I've done that, so I'm gonna clean these marbles, clean this vase, and then I'm gonna put all my lip products back in there. And yeah, I just wiped down all of my lip products because I can't stand when they have like makeup on them, so I just finished doing that. I also went through and threw out some that I don't wear anymore or that were empty anyways.
I got a whip that's blacker than a nigga from Austin. Count your money up, nigga. Do the mathematics. That's not 200K, that's $20 in your pocket. It's a cold, cold world that we live in. Shit, and all these niggas, I'm making my mission. The way I kill these niggas, send my ass to prison. I knock a nigga head off, then I'm shifting, I'm splitting. Oh, baby, I like it. Oh, baby, I like it. No applause. I'm looking like wealth, so mommy want a menage. Y'all niggas really hating, get off my dick.
This is what my vanity looks like right now. I put everything back on there. It just looks so much cleaner. Still need to wash my makeup brushes, so that's why they aren't in their container. But everything else is back where it needs to be. I cleaned out the surface of this. Everything in there is already organized, so I didn't really need to do that, but I just cleaned the outside. Over here we have my dresser situation. I'm currently in the process of like buying some like little stand for me to put my perfume bottles and everything on. I'm not a fan of these. I got them as a gift, but they're gonna do for now for me to just put my glasses in and stuff like that. I'm gonna get like a glasses holder case thing that I want to put up here. Also, my clothing rack situation, once that gets put back up onto the wall, then I'm gonna hang my hangers up there. I have my jewelry right here. I need to take some of the jewelry that I just dump down here whenever I get lazy and hang it back up, because as you can see, a lot of the holes are empty. Lastly, I need to put up my shoes. I need to put the shoes that I don't need for this season anymore into the shed. So I'm gonna move this container into the shed, and then I need to move these 2 bags into the trunk of my car, because Wednesday I'm gonna take them so that I can donate them. In my desk, I'll get to that later. I need to film a video today, a whole separate other video, so I kind of need my desk, and as you're gonna tell, it's a makeup video. I'm really happy I got a lot done today. There's still so much more for me to do, but I need to, like I said, film a whole other video, and I don't want to lose like this good lighting that's out here today. But I'm really hungry right now, so I'm gonna eat and then film my video. But I will see you guys tomorrow, or later on tonight if I'm just feeling up to cleaning up some more, so that I can actually like finish up the room and just be done with it, because I've been deep cleaning this room for a minute. Oh, and I still need to sweep. Yeah, I got a lot to do. I will see y'all when I see y'all. I'm about to go eat. Okay.
You probably never see me. I'm in a talking fit on Instagram, I'm watching TV. I think I trade my breakfast, lunch, and dinner for some kitty. Please believe me, I see Riri, I'ma eat it like panini. I go dumb up in the bar, hit the walls like graffiti. Indian birds all up on a nigga wee-wee. I think I need a full something, Bella can do GG. It be easy if we're easy, don't get all up on the easy. I got crazy in my easy, Kurt easy on a beat. I told them that we finna glow up in the street. Rappers talk some flippin' new, but they don't talk to me. Put them in the Jersey Shore like Paulie D. Ride with the mob, through our law.